What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to fix the "This Apple ID hasn't been used" in the iTunes Store error you are getting when using your iPhone or other iOS device. This should be quite an easy tutorial. For more information, click on the first link in the description below. First, close all applications that are running on your iPhone and make sure that you're using a reliable network connection. Next, open up your system settings. Tap on your Apple ID name and from here, select Payment and Shipping. You might be required to log in with your Apple ID account before making changes to these settings. Next, proceed to remove your current payment method if you're using one. You can then re-add the same payment method if the card is not expired, for example. If the problem persists, then add a different payment method, as your current one is causing the Apple ID error you are getting. When this is done, head back to your main settings, scroll down and tap on General. Tap on Software Update and download the latest iOS version before restarting your device. This will not only fix potential software issues, but also restart all processes on your device, which can help fix the iTunes Store error. Lastly, in case nothing helped you out, then you will have to sign out of your Apple ID account and sign back in. In your settings, tap on your Apple ID name. Here, scroll down and select Sign Out. Make sure that you're using a reliable network connection and sign back in. In case you have any further issues or problems following this tutorial, then I suggest following my extensive guide linked in the description below. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.